Step inside the light, where elegance begins. Marble floors and golden doors, where dreams have always been. From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle walls. Every space a story, every echo has a call. In these walls of dreams, we build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats, it's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every
Welcome to today's luxury home tour. A peaceful escape into a world of timeless elegance, refined details, and immersive beauty. Whether you're here for design inspiration, decor ideas, or simply a moment of quiet visual pleasure, this space invites you to slow down and imagine a life surrounded by comfort and sophistication. Let the textures, the light, and the atmosphere guide your senses.
that comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe. Where beauty whispers, you achieve. In these walls of dreams, we build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats, it's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we breathe. Crystal-like with pride through doors, with chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more
Picture yourself waking up here, walking through these calm hallways, enjoying a soft sunrise through panoramic windows. This house offers more than beauty, it offers escape. For a moment, let yourself drift away. Feel the simplicity, the luxury, the peaceful energy. Let this tour inspire your own design dreams, no matter where you live or what your space looks like.
how we live, how we believe. So walk with pride through open doors. Luxury's life and so much more. Crystal-like with pride through doors, with chandeliers and velvet seats, and so much more.
Thank you for joining me on this luxury home journey. If today's tour helped you dream, relax, or find inspiration for your own decor and interior design ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring even more beautiful spaces and calming visual escapes. See you in the next tour, where elegance